Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lava flip phone. This is like a retro flip phone design. 2010 is when we saw a lot of these flip phone in the market, and they were popular as well. This is basically a kind of an homage to that kind of design, the flip design. This particular variant is blue in color. This, by the way, I should mention, this cell phone also has a 2.4-inch display and a 1200 mAh lithium ion battery, which is not bad. Let's see what information we have here. 3 days battery backup, like I said, 1200 mAh lithium ion battery, 3 days of battery backup, not bad at all. LED notification, number talker, and a favorite stab. I don't know what that is supposed to look like, but let's not waste any more time and take a look at the phone itself. Just have to pull it from here, I suppose. I have to pull it, yes. Yep, pull it. This is what the Lava flip phone looks like. I'll take a deep dive into the box and see what other stuff is there. This is a charging brick, the power adapter, and we have with us lithium ion battery from Lava, 1200 mAh. This is all you find inside the box. Let's take a closer look at the phone itself. Has a nice matte texture to it. It's actually pretty, has a good feel to it, to be very fair. There's a camera right over here, a micro USB charging port, and a 3.5mm jack for when you want to listen to music. Let's flip it open. This is what it looks like. I'm going to turn it on. If memory serves right, you turn on your old feature phones by pressing and holding this button, basically, which is the power on-off button. I'm going to show you how to set this phone up in another video. But for now, this is all you get inside the box containing the Lava flip phone. Thank you for watching.